How do you use Instagram to promote your Etsy products, no matter if they are physical or digital ones? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and making more money online. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. To make more Etsy sales, it is very important to optimize your shop and your listings for SEO. Share the necessary information about your product to your clients, and post new items every single week. Being consistent with uploading products and constantly improving your shop will help generate more Etsy sales within the platform from people that are actively searching for a product such as yours. But what if you wanted to reach a bigger audience and increase your sales from outside of the Etsy platform? Build your brand social media presence so people that find you on Etsy are going to check out your Instagram account and be convinced to buy from your Etsy shop as well, and ultimately just make more sales with your business. Using Instagram is a great idea, and let me share exactly how you can do that. The first thing that you need to do in order to promote your Etsy shop on Instagram is to create a special Instagram account for your business, for your Etsy shop, and optimize it for SEO. Add your shop name as well as what you sell or the types of products you sell. Write a detailed description. Add your shop link in the format of your shop.etsy.com. Add a branded profile image, profile highlights with stories, and build a cohesive feed for your brand. You will find videos on how to do every single thing that I just mentioned in the description below or in the cards above. If you are serious about marketing your Etsy shop with your Instagram account, it might take a little bit of time to create new content for your Instagram account, such as videos for Reels and everything else, but in the end run it will be worth it. Because if your shop has a social media presence outside of Etsy, people will be more likely to purchase your products. And you will reach your target audience on Instagram by getting new people to check out your shop and your products. Besides optimizing your posts for SEO and posting high quality content every single day, your posts and reels must have unique hashtags that will reach your target audience, which means you need to research them first. If you don't know how to use hashtags for your Instagram account, this video right here will help, and it will share all the information on how to find the hashtags, how many to add per post, and more. And now the most popular way and the most efficient way nowadays to grow on Instagram and reach new people that haven't heard of your business or don't know what your shop is about is by creating Instagram Reels consistently. You can make Reels both from video content as well as from photos, and all you need to do to gain views and to gain new followers from Reels is to learn how to use trends correctly, how to find trending sounds and make them fit your content, and to represent your brand well enough to reach your target audience. They will go to your Instagram account and then to your Etsy shop and purchase your products. Watch these videos right here to learn how to create Reels for your Instagram account, no matter the types of products you are promoting. Also, another tip for establishing your brand on Instagram and on Facebook is to start an Instagram and Facebook shop. And in this video right here, I teach you how to do that step by step for your Etsy shop and tag your Etsy products in your posts, reels, and stories. By getting this feature for your Instagram account, you will also get the view shop option on your account, and people will be able to browse through your products collections, click on them, and go directly to your Etsy shop to purchase them. So there you go. This is how you use Instagram marketing to grow your Etsy sales. If this video was helpful and you learned something new, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more videos such as this one every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lydia.incomingsuccess as well as on TikTok for more organic ways to grow on social media and make more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.